How to set any song as an iPhone ringtone with our GarageBand. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the settings app on your mobile device. Once inside the settings app, simply scroll down and tap on the sound and haptics option available there. Once you tap on the sound and haptics, you will get to see the ringtone option available in there. Again, scroll down and tap on the ringtone. Once you tap on the ringtone, you will get to see tone store option available at the top. Tap on the tone store and where you can browse through different songs as your liking. You can scroll down and buy any song in minimum price and set them as a ringtone. Again, simply tap on the see all option available at the top right corner of your screen and browse through all the songs available in tone store. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.